Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the EveryDollar envelope system. A simple yet effective way to manage your finances and stay on top of your expenses. The envelope system is a budgeting method that involves dividing your expenses into categories and allocating a specific amount of money for each category. To get started, you will need to sign up for an EveryDollar account, which is a free budgeting tool that allows you to track your income and expenses. Once you have created your account, you can start setting up your envelope system. The first step is to identify your income, which is the total amount of money you have available to spend each month. Next, you will need to categorize your expenses into different envelopes, such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. You can customize these categories to fit your specific needs and expenses. After you have identified your income and expenses, you will need to allocate a specific amount of money for each envelope. This is where you will decide how much you want to spend in each category. For example, if you have an income of $4,000 per month, you may allocate $1,500 for housing, $500 for transportation, $800 for food, $500 for entertainment, and $1,000 for savings. Once you have allocated your money into each envelope, you can start tracking your expenses. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to track your spending. You can also manually enter your expenses if you prefer. The key to making the envelope system work is to stick to your allocated amounts and not overspend. In any category, if you find that you are consistently overspending in a particular category, you may need to adjust your budget and allocate more money to that category. Another important aspect of the envelope system is to prioritize your expenses. You should prioritize essential expenses such as housing, food, and transportation over discretionary expenses such as entertainment. This will help you stay on top of your necessary expenses and avoid overspending. In addition to tracking your expenses, EveryDollar also allows you to set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. You can set a specific goal and track your progress, which can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives. In conclusion, setting up the EveryDollar envelope system is a simple and effective way to manage your finances and stay on top of your expenses. By following these steps and sticking to your budget, you can achieve financial stability and reach your long-term financial goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial objectives.